Ya, 20 penata naman na leo ni klase. Kuna vetor ken mata ni nanto lab en singni ko en nanto klase. Dore timi gore 1.5.5 na mata ni penetration lab. Uno siangan torongo ba tango rarotunga network representatives kena 1.5.7 rarotunga network representatives. Usana bitiga bikem teman-teman takaba. Ya usan lansarai na 2.3.7. 2.3.7 satu ngoi mata mundo. Okay. Packet tracer navigate the iOS. This was very important labs because this is the foundation of all things that you will learn in CCNA1. Very important because you're gonna navigate the iOS and also try to put in some new commands, and also you familiarize yourselves with the starting of this CCNA1 labs. Okay. Establish objectives. Part 1, establish basic connections, access the CLI, and explore help. Part 2, explore exact modes, and part 3, set the clock. So by this end of this lab, you will be able to establish basic connections, access the CLI, and explore help. And part 2, explore execution modes, and part 3, set the clock. Background scenario in this activity, you will practice skills necessary navigating the Cisco IOS, such as different user access mode, various configuration modes, and common commands used as a regular basis. You will also practice accessing the context sensitive help by configuring the clock command. Okay. Instruction part 1, establish basic connections, access the CLI, and explore help. Step 1, connect PC 1 to switch 1 using a console cable. A, click the connection icon, the one that looks like a lightning bolt in the lower left corner of the packet tracer window. Okay, go here. This one is like a lightning bolt. Click here. Select the light blue console cables by clicking it. Go to here. This one is console. As you can see here, it's written here console. So you click on it. The mouse pointer will change to what appears to be connector with a cable dangling from it. Okay, then click on PC1. Click on PC1. A window displays an option for an RS232. RS232, right. Connections. Connect the cable to the RS232 port. Right. Part D, drag the end of the console connection to the switch 1 switch and click the switch to access the connection list. Click here. Then you'll see all the list of ports and interfaces. Select the console port to complete the connection. You'll select this one, console port. Click it. Right. Step 2, establish a terminal session with S1. Click PC1 and then select the desktop tab. Okay. Click on PC1 and select desktop tab. Click the terminal application icon. Verify the port configuration default settings are correct. What is the setting for the bits per second? A screen that appears may have several messages displayed somewhere on the screen. There should be a press return to get started message. Press enter. What is the prompt display on the screen? Okay, go to the terminal beats per second, data bits, the parity, stop bits, and flow control. Then you click OK. Now you are in the switch, ready to console, ready to config. Right, then press enter. Okay, explore the iOS help. The iOS can provide help for commands depending on the level of access. The prompt current displayed is called user execution, and the device is waiting for command. The most basic form of help is to type a question mark at the prompt to display a list of commands. So this is very important. When you type in the question marks, it will show you all the commands that can enter in a S and a bigger than sign. So you move on. At the prompt, type T, then ask, then a question mark, T, then question mark. Tell you telnet terminal trace route. Right? Then you press E, then question mark again. Telnet and terminal. Which commands are displayed? This type of help is known as context-sensitive help. It provides more information as the commands are expanded. As you can see here in our configuration. You can see Telnet, you can see Terminal 2. Explore execution modes. In part 2 of this activity, you will switch the privileged execution mode and issue additional commands. Step 1, enter privileged execution mode. At the prompt, type question mark. So you can type question mark straight away. And you can see here, turn on privileged commands. So you type here EN and tab. You can press tab. Sorry. EN and press tab. So it'll complete you the configuration. Enable, then you EN and then tab. Right? Press enter. What displays after pressing the tab key? It completes you the enable. While you press EN and tab, it will complete you enable. And about here we're gonna commands. Enable. And about here we're gonna enable commands. What displays after pressing the tab key? Enable. This is called the command completion or tab completion. When part of the command is typed, the tab key can be used to complete partial command if the characters typed are enough to make the command unique. As in the case of the enable command, the remaining portion of the command is displayed. What would happen if you type TE at the prompt? How does the prompt change? So you press enter. See, it changes from the bigger than sign to hash, which is you can press in the question mark command. See all the list of commands. You can see it here. So you press it, go on to step 2, enter global configuration mode. When in privileged execution mode, one of the commands starting with the letter C is configured. Type either the full command or enough of the command to make it a unique. Press the tab key to issue the command and press enter. Okay? So you press in continue, configure, press in configure. Configure and press tab. Then we'll show you terminal. Then press enter. How does the prompt change? Eh? This is called the global configuration mode. This mode will be explored further in upcoming activities and labs. For now, return to privileged execution mode by typing end, exit, or Control Z. Eh? Control C. See, you're going back to global configuration mode, eh? Or press exit. Eh? That are some commands to go back to configuration, global configuration mode. Eh? Part 3, set the clock. Use the clock command to further explore help and command syntax. The type show clock at the privilege execution prompt. Okay, you type in show clock. Now you can see the clock that is in switch 1. Eh? Is here. 17/16/57, 123, UTC, Monday, March 1, 1993. Eh? This is very important when you doing when you check on the loggings. This time should be updated. This is how you set your clock. Eh? So clock, set your clock. Question mark, type clock, question mark, set, because of the set here, tells you, then question mark, hours, minute, and seconds. Eh? Okay, can set it to 15, 15, 0, 0, 0, 0, eh? As it says here, and then question mark again, tells you the day of the month. You can type in that is 32, sorry, 31. Is it here? 31. Then you press question mark, tells you the month. Get set it to January. Question mark, sorry, question mark. Can set the year. Eh? Put it into 2035. Eh? Then you press enter. So you already set your clock. Eh? Explore additional command messages. The iOS provides various outputs for incorrect or incomplete commands. Continue to use the clock commands to explore additional messages that may be encountered as you learn to use the iOS. Eh? You can save in right command to save your configuration. Okay, show clock. See? Changes from the previous clock on your switch 1 to the one you set on your switch 1. Okay? January 31, 2035. Okay? Explore additional messages. Okay? You can type in CL with a question tab. Will finish you clock. Clock. You can also play up with this explore additional commands message. eh, on your own time. I think this one is for lab one. I hope you understand what we are trying to explain here. Pinaka.